everybody, Alan again from MDTV. A little while ago, as you know, we actually put on the our thing about the Motion MLite. The Motion MLite is a great scooter. The good news is we have had very few problems with them. In fact, I can't remember one coming back at all. So that's great news, because it means that we actually have a scooter that's got reliability. It did have one or two little things that people weren't quite sure about whether they liked it or not, but I'm going to go through it and to tell you the differences between the old one and the new one. I mean, one of the things in on the back is that there's an actual drawbar, as you know, to actually move them around when it's folded. That now actually has notches on it, so that you can actually set that at the height that you want. But we'll show you that a little bit later on. The main problems that we had was, not a problem, it's just that people were saying they didn't feel secure because of the height of the back of the scooter. So what they've done is they've done two things here. That just drops down like so. That spins around like so. Metal bar over the top, and it is metal, whereas the new one is plastic. What that means is that it goes in and sits in, but as you can see, the back is now much higher. So that's a great improvement, much more comfortable. Yeah, when you compare them, you can see that, can't you? You know, it's going to make a remarkable difference. The other thing that they've done, and to me this is by far and away the most important thing, is that when you actually had the old Motion, when you put it in the car, that was it, because basically to charge it up, all the battery and everything is built in. You can get to it by undoing the panel, but there's a lot of wiring to undo. So if you wanted to take the battery out to charge it, you had to undo all the wires and things that were actually inside this box. I'll very quickly show you that, then you'll see what I mean. You have to lift that plate up, but as you can see, you've got to undo all this to get out your battery pack to take it into the house to charge it. So what they've done on the new one, just put that back there, is that when you get back to your car, take the battery pack out like so, and you can see that's dead simple, and it charges into here. Leave that somewhere, not at the side of the road, leave it in, put it in your car obviously. Fold your scooter up, pop it in the car, but when you get home, you've got the battery pack, get straight into the house, charge it up. That's a massive improvement. It just makes it much more convenient to use, in the respect that you don't have to have the whole scooter. You don't have to have the whole scooter in the house to charge it. You can leave the whole scooter in the car and just take out the battery pack. So those are the massive improvements on the Motion MLite. We've got loads in stock, both in red and silver and grey. This shows both colours here quite nicely, and gives you a shout if you want any more information. That's it for today. We've got loads more coming up in the not too distant future, and yet again, great, thanks for your time.